Folks, Luca, SharperTrades. Market got the needed bounce. Still, it's weak. Price continues to close below the 80 MA. So as long as price remains below the 80 MA, that's a short-term downtrend. And the 50 SMA represents bearish territory. So we are still in bearish areas. The reversal would be if, for example, tomorrow price opens higher, sits above the 80 MA, then goes up to test the 50 SMA, holds nicely for the next few days, and then extends. Right? On the other hand, any lower opening, we're going to go down and especially moves below Friday low, expected test of 492 and this channel bottom. This is a tight channel of this recent past several months rally, actually. And any break below those levels, then we're looking at 486 and 480. And look at the triple Q. It's important for reference. Very similar. Spinning top indecision, a little bit of volume, but not much. And also below the 80 MA and major resistances. So here it's holding the support of Friday low, 431. Any break below that, do expect a retest. 405, 400, and then 396. This one, if we have this angle of descend, the channel bottom does suggest somewhere around 400. So that's a possibility. Today bounce is still a weak bounce. Okay, we need follow through confirmation, and that will come tomorrow in the next few days. ALK is a swing, is pressing these recent highs 46, let's call it 47, 45, 76, and it's a breakout following earnings. I'm looking for 47.50, 50.50, and 53.69. Support, keep it the same, 44.43. AXP, I like this company. I like, many people do. Not if you're a merchant because they charge a lot of money, but that's good for investment. And in this case, for us, is a swing. So I like this big volume move that came on Friday following earnings with price steady above the 50 SMA. Being a financial institution, did a very different response to their earnings. Let's say, for example, JP Morgan, following earnings went down. Bank of America, it went down and then got a recovery effort. AXP, American Express, immediately went up. Good volume, good technicals, is breaking out of the all-time high, 232. Yeah, so 232, it's a breakout. I like this, the company, I like what they do, and not their fees are awful, but that's again part of the business model, very successful. 237 is the resistance, 245, 255, and 264 are the targets. The support is today low and the 80 MA. PANW, this one is a swing, still in consolidation. I like the current formation. Came down very heavily, following disappointing earnings. It's been recovering, but steady above the 200 SMA. So I like this current look. OBV pointing up. I need to see more volume, and I need to see money stream starting to come up. The targets is 289, 301. There's the 50 SMA between, and then 315. Support 276 and 270. So how do we turn knowledge into actual income with minimal risk? It's simple. I offer the Basic Plus Swing Alert for just $1 for the first month. The Basic Plus Swing Alert sends real-time trades 2-3 times a week via text or email. I send you updates as price reaches targets and we raise protective stop levels, all in real time. If you're looking for an even better opportunity, check out the Pro package. It includes over 15 technical courses, all my trading services, and access to the trading room. A package worth almost $3,000, available for just $19 for the first month. Signing up is easy. Visit SharperTrades.com, go to the product section, and choose the package that suits you. Then use the provided coupon code to unlock the Basic Plus Swing Alert for only $1, or the incredible Pro package for just $19 for the first month. I can't wait to welcome you to the community. Take the first step toward financial success. See you over at SharperTrades.com. Sharper Trades, where knowledge becomes income. Don't miss out. Join us today.